Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss in detail about an interesting company called Sarah Sanitary Ware. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe icon and press the bell icon so that next time when you receive a new video, so you will be on top of that. So this company has recently come into my radar, where again they are again a small cap company with a market cap of almost close to 5,600 crores, and they are one of the top two market leaders compared to Kajaria. So there are again three companies: Kajaria, Serra Sanitary Ware, and also So Many Ceramics. So Kajaria and Serra Sanitary Ware, they are the two topmost market leaders in the space. So I decided to study them. So let's go through their financials of their last 7 years. So as you can see in this video, so you can actually see the company had made a turnover of almost close to 1,300 crores, and also again they have a consistent margin. So over the last 4 years, the margin has slightly come under pressure. That's because now since ceramics and tile space, they have come under margin pressure due to the fact that most of the raw material prices have gone up and fuel prices have also gone up. So that has slightly impacted them. And also there is sustained competitive pressure since there are other low end players in the unorganized space. So they have actually sent brought down the margins because they have actually given a higher amount of credit to different businesses, and that's one reason why the company's receivable cycle also is 2 months, and some of the low end players they even have a receivable cycle of almost close to 100 to 120 days, which is quite surprising for a tile manufacturing company. And also the net profit margin is also seems to be consistent in terms of 9 to 10% over the last 7 8 years. And the company's market cap has almost doubled, like over the last 2 years. Much re-rating has happened in the last 2 years, where the stock has gone from 3,000 crores to almost 5,650 crores. And this is partly due with the re-rating that had happened when the market rises. It raises all stocks, right? Where it's trading at around 56 PE, but the historical PE is somewhere around 37 PE, right? So personally, I would feel this is an excellent company, and also again, one of the investors of Nalanda Capital, they have also invested in the stock, so they have been holding almost close to 10% of this company. So this is again a close competitor to Kajaria, and where if there is a reversal in real estate space, so I think this is a company to watch out for. So if you are again betting on real estate space for the next 5 10 years, I would strongly suggest to keep this company in your radar because they are going to be one of the huge beneficiaries out of this. So currently they have a 25% market share. So if it increases to 50%, so then it's going to double because now post GST, the unorganized market is becoming completely organized. So where again, since this is again a small cap company, so I would suggest if there is a correction that comes in, keep hold of this company because they are again having good corporate governance, and their profits are reasonable, and with consistent track record. I think this is going to be a big beneficiary, and the promoter is holding the 55%, and they seem to consistently buy it from the market, and so does other notable credible FIIs who also have conviction in this company for long term. So I presume again this is a good company to watch out for. So kindly keep this in your radar, and they might be a consistent compounder. And let's see like what happens. Like personally, I don't have any holdings in it, but I am closely studying this company in detail. And please feel free to include your comments about this company in this video, so that again we will discuss about this. I've already posted a video about Asian Granito in one of my videos, and this is my second video of the company in this space. So feel free to share your comments and subscribe to my channel, and also share your thoughts so that we will discuss about that in the coming videos. Thank you so much.